If you love the idea of firing up grilled meat and smoked bacon in your backyard, then the Z-Grill's wood pellet barbecue grill and smoker will fit the bill. This is clearly one of the most reliable pellet grills available on the market, and a quick look at it gives you the promise of quality. The Z-Grill's wood pellet barbecue grill and smoker promises a lot of versatility, as it can be used to make grilled chicken breasts, ribs, smoked meat, pizzas, burgers, roasted fresh veggies, and so on. What we really like is that it all comes in a compact form, which means it takes less space in your backyard. It comes with 2 wheels that adds mobility and make it easier to take the grill in and out of the house as required. It gives you the same effect you get from real wood smoker options without the attached downsides. The automatic electric feed system controls the ideal temperature needed for cooking low and slow or hot and fast as desired. So you can set the right temperature and cook with ease without the need for constant attention or any hand-holding. This Z-Grill model scores high in terms of performance, as it helps you achieve a consistent convection-based heating system that can be used to generate different types of fuel using a variety of wood pellets. This helps you get different flavors, which results in perfectly cooked food every single time. If you have guests, you can easily cater to a small group and keep the compliments pouring in. So, what we get is an easy-to-use, quick and simple single-dial style outdoor cooking solution. Despite using a modern system, the grill retains the traditional smoky feel you get from real wood smoke.